Very good. Okay. Tell us about the thing, Rory. Get here and tell us. Go, yay, Rory.
The contest is Nickelodeon Studios.
Incredible. So what are you doing with that, Einstein?
I put out.
I don't think you're supposed to pour that many out, Rory.
That's this.
Guys, those tongues are chocolate. Those tongues, go ahead, put your heads right next to each other and see. They're solid chocolate. Look at that, Roar. Look at that. You see that? Look at Shane's tongue. It's as chocolate as can be. Look at Rory's. Oh my gosh, Rory. It is. Hey, you guys, look at the camera. You'll see inside the lens. Look, see? Over here. What do you want?
We changed our names. Now we're Ocean Girl and Ariel.
Oh, what'd you get for your birthday? A little boy? Did you get a little boy for your birthday?
No.
David, your birthday present?
No.
Yeah, say happy birthday to Monster Vision. Happy birthday to Monster Vision. I like it, Roar. I like it. Oh, more. That's better. More, because you got to watch this. Because it doesn't have sound, you know. Giggly, giggly, What are you kids watching? No White? Is it any good?
No.
Hands to hold that or you'll spill your drink. Little Rory.
I spelled it once.
Hey, oh, Rory, here's a message from God. Oh, God, please. Oh, take me. Oh, yes, give it to me. I need. Oh, Lord, I've been seeing the light. Yo, Rory. Oh, maybe he just sees the rings. Okay. You crack me up, Rory. You crack me up.
Tail, and they're really big. And if you want to go back, you just come down and you turn around and then you just go down where you're supposed to be.
And that's how you ski. Sissy will teach you.
I'm telling on you. Why? Because you put ants in my pants and made me do the tootie dance. Say, Thumbelina dance, okay? Thumbelina dance. Because you made me do the Thumbelina dance, okay? Oh, no.